Good morning and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be testing out my new DJI Action camera and DJI Mic Mini. So we'll see just how good the quality is and how good the speech sounds. I have also got my 360 camera on and my intercom mic just in case. Always handy to have a backup. If it really gets bad, I'll just have to do a voice overview. No real destination today. Just get out for a cruise, see what I can find, see what the DJI camera is like. I've done initial setups based on what some other vloggers used. Set the mic up as per other people. So yeah, this may be a video. May not be a video. We'll see if we find anywhere nice, and we'll see what the video and the audio turns out like. I know the 360 camera will do good video. That's kind of become my primary camera. However, I'm hoping the DJI becomes my primary camera now. I have also got a new SEC helmet on today as well. I decided to get myself a new modular helmet. The full face helmet's great, but I like the flexibility of the modular helmet. So yeah, and I've also got my new Mini mesh gloves on as well, which are much more comfortable than the Makoto ones, and they let my fingers breathe a little as well, which is good. So hopefully cut down on the sweat rash a bit. Got a half tank of gas, so we'll see where that gets us to. I know there's plenty of gas stations en route, because we are going to go on the highway and head towards Santa Cruz. May go heading for Malalag, and see what's up ahead there. I know there's a bit of a zigzag road up there, so might just go have a play on the zigzag road. See if we can find some overviews. See if we can get some nice drone footage somewhere as well. It's 10 AM, so it is a very late start today. Mainly because I thought my DJI batteries were all charged up. I thought my 360 camera batteries were charged up, but no. Only numbers 4, 5 and 6 were charged, so I like to go out with a full complement of batteries, so I decided to charge up 1, 2 and 3. I've only got 4 batteries on the DJI. I have no idea what the battery life's like, so that's going to be fairly interesting. Right, if you're all going to sit about here, I'm going to go. As usual, the traffic's utter chaos down here at the G Mall. It's wacky races. It's a case of when you see a gap, go for it and hope for the best. I'll say this much for the new SEC helmet. Wind noise wise, it's a lot quieter inside the helmet compared with the Zebra one I wore. It's actually even quieter than my SEC full face helmet as well, which, considering it's a modular, I'm very surprised at. So that's good. The downside of that is I don't hear the engine noise as much, so I'm kind of going to have to be a bit more aware of my speed. I am out solo riding today as well again. Seem to be doing that more and more and more. Which I actually don't mind. Sometimes I actually prefer it. Not having to think about somebody else. And I can go at my own pace. If I want to be a camote and go faster, banking, I can do. If I want to just chill ride, then I can do. So I've just left Toril, passed through a couple of villages on the way to Santa Cruz, and then when we hit Digos at the junction with the big lion, we'll branch left heading towards Malalag and Jensan. And when we get further down that, we'll take the coastal road down towards Malalag and Santa Maria and just see what we find. I've never been down this coastal road before. I do believe it's not fully concreted, so it could be interesting. I think we're out of the way of most of the traffic now anyway. Should be a lot less, he says optimistically. I think that's Storga National School. I hope there's a lot of standing water here. I'll say this much for the ADV. I got the CVT bit, the CVT cleaned out last week, and it seems to be a lot better since I've had that cleaned out. I was very shocked though, finding out that I don't know what you call it, I call it the roller set, the little roller balls. I was a bit surprised that they're starting to wear as bad as they were at 5,000 kilometres. Well, I mean, I've done almost 6 now. So next PMS they will be getting changed for a new set. I suppose, I mean, everybody said to me they should last about 10,000 kilometres. Maybe it's just the way I drive sometimes. I can be a bit harsh. And then I get days like today where I'm a bit more relaxed and a bit more chilled. So it is what it is. I mean, they're not massively expensive anyway. I'm going to see if there's somewhere I can get cold water here because I need a drink. You got some cold water? Yeah, you got cold. Big, please. Just one. Don't want to be PPP. Oh, thanks. Don't worry about the change. Is that durian? Mango. I love mango. Mango's beautiful. Don't like durian. Durian. Bleh. Same as balut. Bleh. Where does that road go? Does it take you down to the water? Near the water? Just exploring. Never been here before, so thought I'll follow the coastal road. Where's the overview? How far? How far? How long? You getting a nosebleed already? Thanks.